Over $4 billion on over-the-counter cold and cough medicine. That stuff is expensive.
And if you added up all of the cold and cough medicine in this newsroom, the tab
it'd be a fortune.
Yeah, so it's no surprise that folks are looking for cheaper home remedies to make them feel better. Arthur Mondale joins us live with some folks like you are using what works, what doesn't work. Arthur, what do you have to say? What do you have to tell us?
We've got the good, the bad, and the ugly on home remedies. People definitely weren't feeling stuffy about sharing these ideas without feeling sick over the cost. Take a look.
Bless you.
The CDC says 200 viruses can cause the common cold. And when it comes to home remedies, WXII viewers have 200 solutions. A small group of you say even a common cold won't come between you and the New Year's resolutions. You're sweating it out at the gym.
The sweat glands are an excretory organ, so that you're actually getting rid of fluids and possibly even eliminating some of the virus from your body by sweating that way. And
viewers like Angela Phillips opt instead for the bar. There's honey and whiskey with a hint of lemon. Others choose vodka and brandy.
By the time you've got enough alcohol in your system, you don't really feel that bad anymore anyways.
The majority of you say you probably won't find your medical miracle in the pub. Instead, looking in the pantry. There's garlic and milk and a side of onions.
For chest cold.
Then there's the mustard pack. So popular, there's even online videos that swear by it. Dry mustard and flour are mixed and poured onto a towel to eliminate a cold.
Maybe the heat from the towel might help your chest feel better, but I'm not aware of any other medicinal value to the mustard and flour and all that other stuff.
Another remedy? Well, choose to be like me. When I get my man cold, my medication is simply to whine and complain. But does that really work?
The sympathy, I think, can be helpful.
A score, but still not a home run. At least not for your remedy.
Basically, a cold has to run its course.
So how could whining and complaining help? Folks, hear me out. Doctors say attention from others is actually hormone therapy, which can give you a mental boost when fighting that cold. Back to you in the studio.
That's interesting. I whine all the time, so.
He called it a man cold earlier. I like that,
Yes,
Arthur.
milk
Thank
it
you.
for what it's worth.
Hey, yep, that's what you have to do. All right, thank you.